Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox two bags. So from these boxes, I don't think you are able to tell which are the bags because they are so small. And one of the bag I think is very special. It's kind of rare as well. So I think you guys follow my channel because you like rare bags. So I've got one to unbox today. So let's do it together. By the way, I believe you have watched my earlier unboxing video on my custom made watch, which is this one with the diamonds. This is what I custom made, and I have a watch to unbox today as well. Maybe we should unbox the watch together. This is the watch. So as you notice, the ribbon is a little different because they're celebrating the anniversary. And that's why you can see it is really special. We've got the flagship store over here. So here's the watch. This is a stainless steel Kelly watch, and the interesting thing about this is you can actually detach this watch and put it onto your Birkin and wear the strap by itself. So I'm already wearing a watch now, which is the one that I customized. So I'm not going to try this in front of the camera today, but this is what I got. And why I said this watch is special is because you have one more part of the watch which is right over there, and you can wear that as well. And the whole thing comes as a set. So let me show you. So this is what that comes with it. So I would say this is actually three parts. One of the three parts of the watch. Here's the box. And here is the crochet. I've got it in black. This is what you can wear on your neck. And you can hang this watch onto the crochet and wear it on your neck. So that is one way to wear it. Another way to wear this watch is you can wear it as its own, as a Kelly watch. And the third way is to wear this watch onto your Birkin and wear the bracelet itself onto your wrist. So there you go, guys. Really interesting combination. When I saw it, it was love at first sight. Here's my watch unboxing. I'm going to do another video that I will unbox that one. So catch my next video. Bye guys.